Hey guys, welcome to your channel Mirror Pro. Hope you enjoyed with this video. So, the upcoming iPhone 12 design is definitely exciting in the context of previously released iPhones. After all, we've seen the same design on all of Apple's flagship iPhone models since the iPhone X was released 3 years ago. In the context of all smartphones that are going to hit store shelves in 2020, however, it's not exactly a cutting-edge masterpiece. 2020 is finally the year that foldable phones don't stink. The Galaxy Z Flip isn't exactly the slimmest or sleekest smartphone out there, but it's an awesome example of what foldable smartphones bring to the table. When closed, it has a fairly compact footprint that fits comfortably in your pocket. When flipped open, however, it has one of the biggest displays you'll find on any widely available smartphone right now. We know that Apple is also working behind closed doors on iPhones that fold. We've seen numerous patents the company filed that prove as much. That said, we also know that Apple doesn't plan to release a foldable iPhone anytime soon. The tech is far too new and clunky for Apple to get involved with mass-producing a folding iPhone just yet. We can almost certainly expect foldable iPhone models to be released in a few years though, and when the first folding Apple phone does become a reality, we really hope that it looks just like the mock-up created by an Instagram user. This video created by Iskander Utabayev, a graphic designer who goes by bat.not.bad on Instagram. He usually creates videos showing concept cars, but he took a break from that to create what he calls the iPhone 12 Flip. It's absolutely stunning and I can't stop staring at it. It also defies the laws of physics and ignores the limitations of mass-producible technology, so there is zero chance we're going to see a foldable smartphone like this anytime soon. It's still stunning though, and there's a very good chance that we'll see smartphones like this someday, perhaps in a decade or so. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe and to click on the bell to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.